In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on your PayPal transactions. So if you have an issue with one of your transactions on PayPal, maybe you received some goods or services and you weren't happy with the product, then in order to request a refund, what we need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and from here you'll see your recent activity. Now if you scroll all the way right down to the bottom, you'll have this show more button and we can select this. And then from here, you just need to select the transaction that you want a refund for. So I'm going to click this one at the top. This is going to bring down this drop down menu. And the first thing that we can do in this window is message the seller directly. Obviously, this is always the best way to deal with any disputes in transactions. It's always a good idea to message the seller first to see if you can resolve it with them. If you've already tried contacting the seller and you can't resolve it between yourselves, then what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and select report a problem and click this. And that's going to take you to the report a problem page, and then you'll just need to select the type of issue that you're having with your purchase. Now this is going to differ for everyone depending on the issue you're having, but for example, let's say you ordered something and it hasn't arrived, then you can click on I haven't received the item or service, and then you'll just need to fill out all of the steps on the screen to file that dispute. So once you've filed a dispute, PayPal typically takes no longer than 14 days in order to resolve your dispute, and you may be required to provide certain evidence. This could be proof of purchase, or if you've received some damaged goods, for example, you may need to provide photos of the damage. And once you've submitted this form to PayPal, you'll then just need to wait for them to get back to you and issue that refund. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you request a refund in PayPal. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.